All right, this fence just came in. This is perfect if you want to divide your animals, your chickens, your dogs, your goats, pretty much a lot of divide any kind of lines. You can do that. It's a fence. All right, it's made of like a fish net kind of thing. It's plastic. They have stakes, instructions how to set them up. Now, these stakes are actually to hold down the corners, right? Because these automatically, you just step them down and you should be good. So I'm going to set this up and see how well it works. Let's divide our actual front lawn. All right, let's go ahead and set these up. And these are long, so all right, there's your fence, guys. It goes really long, as you can see, from here all the way to the back. This is gonna prevent my dogs from going to the actual trees or anything like that. But look at this. It's beautiful. It's easy to set up. I am gonna put some stakes, but that's only if you want to prevent any animals from going under. This is perfect if you have outdoor livestock or indoors. You could set these up, but without the actual stakes. These are perfect for any kind of livestock, any animals you have. Very simple to set up and go, but just make sure you have a stable ground to do that, right? So if you want to divide your dogs or anything like that, this is perfect for them. Keep them inside instead of out. If you have guests coming in, this is not going to prevent larger dogs like this. They'll drive through it right away. But I'm just demoing right now that you can divide your areas. If you train your dogs not to go into near the fence, that's an easy way to do it too. But it's easy to keep them entertained within an area, confined area. So you guys can see, very simple, easy to use. So this guy's a little miserable that he can't come out right now. I divided half of my lawn to some area. So this is good for keeping if you don't want them near the plants or any near area. This is perfect for them.